Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are making a delicious pancake with this overripe plantain. This one is overripe. Ooh, I hope it has not spoiled. I've not opened it. I kept it to get very soft and overripe, so we are using it to make pancake with these 2 eggs and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So let's get started. You stay good, very much good. You can blend this if you want, but I'm gonna mash it with this fork. I prefer using this small fork that can bend in this plate. That's why I'm using this. I'll add the eggs. I'm using 2 eggs. I showed you already. I'm adding 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. You can use melted butter. I'll now add milk to it. It is now time to bring in our flour. Half a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. The milk I'm using there is 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, which I added 1.5 cups of water. I've not added all the milk yet. I like the chunks of plantain I'm seeing there. That's why I did not blend it. If you don't want to get the chunks, blend the plantain. I'll add it more liquid. Yeah. Our pancake batter is ready. Looking at this, you know that it's gonna be yummy. To fry the pancake in a dry pan or pot, add in a little oil or butter, about half a teaspoon. Then when hot, scoop in some quantity of the pancake batter into your pan. Fry on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. And when you start seeing those bubbles at the top there, then it is time to flick to the other side and also fry for about 5 to 7 minutes until your pancake is cooked. And we'll continue with the same process until we are done frying all the pancakes. Our pancakes. And here we have our delicious and mouth-watering overripe plantain pancakes. I have some butter syrup here for it, but it's not everybody that likes it, so I'm not spraying it all. I'll leave it for anybody that wants to take to spray on her his or her own. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless you all. Bye.